Imagine this. You go to bed with unresolved problems or frictions you can't quite solve yet. Now your brain, it works overnight, generating ideas, and by the morning, it presents them. But your brain, it picks just one of it that it can solve today. That one goes into your diary, and the rest vanish. Now these thoughts are decided by you, but the memory only lasts mere minutes, and it happens everywhere. In the shower, when you walk, at the coffee station, and those in-between moments when ideas emerge. Now, if you ignore 3 ideas daily and you've lost 1,000 in a year, let that sink in. Some could completely redefine your life. Now, here's what you can do. So you reach into your pocket, grab your phone, long press the action button, even without opening it. Jin Mobile just opens. You see this rainbow mic. Tap it. Need to finish the B-roll for the video and just speak your thoughts into it. When you're done, hit the red stop button. That's it. Your ideas captured. You've just landed a note to your future self. And the best part is, onboarding takes less than 60 seconds with the onboarding flow when you open the app for the first time. Later, you tap that recording. It plays back. Need to finish the B-roll for the video? Word by word, karaoke style. But we're just getting started. Later that afternoon, you're grabbing coffee and you remember something that could enhance that thought. So you add it in. Evening rolls around, a client dinner. Another piece clicks. You add that in too. There is one thing you should know. Your brain is for having thoughts, not storing them. You don't think sequentially. Insights don't come all at once. They come across the week or the month, for example. In between, you get other thoughts about a client presentation or a new product idea or a YouTube video you need to watch or to create. That's why Jin exists. To catch them as they emerge, keep them alive, and let them develop, group them, classify them, and bring them back to life later. When you add these thoughts, your audio is cleaned up. Pauses are deleted and then they're joined together. Your transcription is stitched seamlessly. So instead of 3 separate pieces, you get to see one complete thought. And because it's so easy, I use this throughout my entire day as a catch-all. Now, voice is the fastest capture available. No typing, no friction. Just your thought, captured and evolved. So you might ask, what's the real-world value? I've used it to build Jin Mobile using these same principles. I'm using it right now to build Jin, your assistant for your Mac. You will see how good it is pretty soon when I launch. Start using Jin daily and you'll feel that difference. Your second brain is right there with you and your ideas always stay with you. When you hear your thoughts as one group, you'll realize how good they really are. And all the time, it's you who's speaking to your future self. When you offload that thought into Jin, you'll realize that Jin has got your back. And your thoughts are never lost. But there's something even crazier. So during the day, you go online to research your thoughts. You watch a YouTube video. It sparks an idea. You save the URL. Or maybe it's an image, a web page, a clip from an article. Sometimes it comes from a friend whom you met after a long time in a coffee shop. You wouldn't have carried a notebook, but your phone is always with you. And the best thing is, it goes straight into Jin rather than being on the back of a napkin. So nothing leaks. It could also be a file from your phone or from iCloud. All of that can go into your thought too. Now here's the cool part. The clip which you highlighted is saved, so you don't have to revisit those lines. The link stores the entire thing. And different links can be stacked one on top of the other. And your links and thoughts can be searched from right within the library. Your note isn't just your voice anymore. When you're ready to schedule your thoughts as a calendar event, just add it into Apple Calendar. It will link back to Jin Mobile with a deep link. If you want to add another calendar event, just copy the deep link and paste it there too. With the calendar, a certain kind of magic starts to happen. You can schedule recurring events and add alerts, turning it into a complete notification system. Some thoughts are just tasks without dates. You can use the status system that allows you to mark those thoughts as not started, in progress, or completed. And with a Notion linkage, you can connect it right into a Notion database. But then it hits you. Thoughts are connected. Remember that thought from last week? The one you tagged and saved in another folder. You pulled it up. Bingo! These two thoughts are actually connected, so you can link them. It's quite easy. You just push this link button and search for the note you want. Add it in and it's linked. You'll see an icon next to your link. If parent is highlighted, the link takes you back to the parent thought. If child is highlighted, it takes you back to the child thought. What you'll discover is that many of your thoughts are actually interconnected. Your brain keeps coming back to them from different angles, adding different flavors each time. That's how you recognize what actually matters. Now, one power tip is to review your thoughts twice a week to pick up the threads. Since notes are often interlinked, search by keywords during your bi-weekly review. You'll find other notes with the same thought. That's how you spot the connections. This entire process makes it easier for your brain to remember what to follow up on. And this is a second brain system that lives in your pocket at all times and pushes you forward towards execution by putting it into your calendar. There is one thing to realize though. One thought might be a solution. Another might be a problem that you want to park and solve later. Your mind will come back to it with a solution sooner or later. And behind your back, Jin has been weaving an entirely different kind of magic. When I built Jin, I asked myself, how can AI improve the quality of my life by working alongside me? Not replacing my thinking, but by making my thinking easier. It shaves off hours every day, year-round, no matter what you're doing. That's the humanized AI assistant. It works with you, not for you. So Jin knows something about how your brain works, and probably you don't consciously realize it. Jin is actually using different parts of your brain to help you recollect your own thoughts. Jin also keeps your notes tidy by automatically organizing them as you capture them. Now, Jin is also securing your thoughts. It backs them up to a local database on your phone. It adds the voice into your iCloud, and it pushes the whole thing into Notion for a completely different copy. And when you start seeing the bigger picture in Notion, you'll realize there are a lot of additional things. For example, when do you get all your ideas? If you get them in the morning, would you like to protect that time? Which ones are the most popular ones these days? What's bothering you? So you have two complete versions of your connected brain that you can lean into. To get your copy, head to the description. It will take you straight to the App Store where you can download it.